Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Basics. In today's video we are going to learn the chain stitch. The chain stitch is the very first stitch used in most crochet projects. Once you learn this, you can start making many fun crochet items. So let's begin. So here we have our properties and the yarn and the crochet hook. So let's begin with the slip knot. So just make the circle, take the loop out and insert the hook and adjust the working yarn. So here we have the slip knot. See, wrap the yarn around your fingers and just use your hand to hold your yarn here. Okay, then just keep yarn relaxed. Okay, not too tight or not too loose. Okay, just keep it like this, and you can hold the hook here, or if you are comfortable like you're doing the pencil grip, you can hold like this. So I like to hold like this. Let's begin. Now wrap the yarn over the hook from back to front and pull the hook through the loop. See, like this. We made our first chain stitch. See, we made our first chain stitch. Then again wrap and pull through the loop. See, yarn over, pull through it, yarn over, pull through it. See, we made our chain stitches. Please, we can make some chains together. Okay, ready? Yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull through the. So you can hold it here to make a perfect chains. See, 2. Take a closer look. See, the chain stitches looks like a little V. See, it's perfect. So there are two common mistakes. Like first one is pulling the yarn, it's too tight. Like this make it hard to insert the hook later. And the second one is making the chains too loose. Like loose chains can make your project uneven. So try to keep all your chain stitches the same size. So today we learned how to make the chain stitch. It is one of the most important crochet skills for beginners. So in the next Crochet Basics video, we will learn how to make the single crochet. So don't forget to like, subscribe and follow along with the Crochet Basics series. See you in the next video.